we know different measuring devices. Here we are finding one such device. It is called Vernier calipers. We know our meter scale. So this is our meter scale. The least count of meter scale is 1 millimeter or 0.1 centimeter. But if we want to get a more accurate reading, that means if I want to get one more digit after decimal, I want to find, I can use this device. It is Vernier calipers. Let us see the device. This is Vernier calipers. Then let us see the picture first. You can find two jaws here. These are the jaws. If I want to find diameter of a cylinder, I must place the cylinder in between the jaws. These are the lower jaws. Then these are upper jaws. Upper jaws can be used to find internal diameter of a pipe. Then you can find two scales. This is a main scale, and this scale, the scale you find here is a Vernier scale. So two scales, main scale and Vernier scale. And you can move this Vernier scale to this side or to this side. Then you can find a metallic strip here. This is used to find depth of a vessel. Now let us come to the device. This is our device. This is our main scale. This is Vernier scale. And I can move the Vernier scale in this way. Then these are the upper jaws. Then this is a metallic strip. Then I am first calculating the diameter of a cylinder. So I am placing the cylinder in between the jaws, tightening here, and I am seeing the first division of Vernier. So first line of Vernier is between 1.2 and 1.3. So I take the value as 1.2. So before that, let me say about the least count of this device. The least count of Vernier is equal to 1 main scale division divided by a number of divisions on Vernier scale. So here 1 main scale division, main scale is our ordinary scale. So 1 main scale division is 1 millimeter. That divided by, there are 10 divisions on this Vernier. So that divided by 10, I will get 0.1 millimeter or 0.01 centimeter. This is the least count of your Vernier. Now let us find the diameter. I am placing the cylinder in between the jaws. Now I am looking here. The first line of Vernier scale is between 1.2 and 1.3 of main scale. So the value of main scale reading is, I told you, between 1.2 and 1.3. So I take it as 1.2. So 1.2 is the main scale reading. Then next is Vernier scale reading. Vernier scale reading means one line of this Vernier is coinciding with any one line of main scale. So I am seeing here the seventh line of Vernier is coinciding with any one line of Vernier main scale. So 7 is a Vernier scale reading. Then diameter is equal to MSR plus VSR into LC. Here MSR is 1.2 plus VSR, vernier scale reading is 7. 7 into 0.01 is 0.07. So I get the value as 1.27 centimeter. So 1.27 centimeter is the diameter of this cylinder. 1.27 centimeter is the diameter of this cylinder. Now I want to calculate the length of this cylinder. This is a method. I am placing the cylinder in this manner between the jaws. Now I am seeing here the first line of vernier is in between 1.3 and 1.8 and 1.9. 3.8 and 3.9 of main scale. First line of vernier is between 3.8 and 3.9 of main scale. So the value of main scale reading is 3.8. Then I want to find vernier scale reading. Here also seventh line. Seventh line of vernier is coinciding with the one line of main scale. So again I am getting vernier scale as vernier scale reading as 7. Sometimes it may be a different value, but here I am getting 7. So length of this cylinder, length of the cylinder is equal to the same equation, MSR plus VSR into LC. MSR is 3.8 plus VSR into LC, 7 into 0.01. So I get 0.07. So answer is 3.87 centimeter. This is the length of your cylinder. Then if I want to calculate the volume, volume is equal to pi r square L. So pi, the value of pi you know, radius is half of diameter, then into length. You will get the answer. You will get the answer in centimeter cube. You have to convert the answer into meter cube. So it is better you take 5 trials and take the average value. You will get the average diameter. You will get the answer in centimeter. You convert the answer into meter there itself. Then here also length. You take 5 trials, take the average. You will get the average length. You convert the answer into meter. Then put in this equation. You will get the answer directly in meter cube. In a similar way, if I want to find the internal diameter of this vessel, I do this way. See, upper jaws are used. See, upper jaws are placed like this. So I am moving this. Now, here first line of vernier is between 4.2 and 4.3 of main scale. So MSR is 4.2 and I can find the VSR reading. So this way you can find internal diameter. Suppose I want to find the depth of this vessel. So I place this part, this end over this mouth. So I am placing, then I am moving. When I move, this will come down. So coming down, now it is hitting the bottom of the vessel. Now I am noting the readings. The first line of vernier is now between 5.3 and 5.4. So main scale reading is 5.3. And you can calculate the vernier scale reading. In a similar way, depth can be calculated. So this is the use of vernier caliper. See, you can find the value here, 3.87. If I use an ordinary scale to measure a length of a cylinder, I can get the answer as 3.8 or 3.7 like that. So after decimal there will be one place. But by using this device you can get the answer 3.87. So after decimal you can get 2 values. So more accurate answer you are getting. This is the use of using a vernier calipers. This is the advantage of using a vernier calipers. Hope you understood. Thank you.